Now is the question number 6, that is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC, side BA is produced to D. See here, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Then BA is produced to D such that AD is equal to AC. Such that AD is equal to AC or AD is equal to AB, because AB was equal to AC. Then AD is equal to AB. We can say AD is equal to AC. Show that angle BCD is right angle. Now we are to show that angle BCD, this angle is right angle. Angle BCD means angle 2 plus angle 3. Now we are to prove that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Now what is given in this question? It is given that AB is equal to AC, AD is equal to AB, angle BCD to prove is that angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. Means we are to prove angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. Now we take the proof. For proof, we have AB is equal to AC. We start the proof always from the given conditions. From where we start the proof? We start the proof always from the given conditions. It is that AB is equal to AC. And then we have AB is equal to AD. It means that AC is equal to AD. See here, AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AD. Because both on both sides, on left side is AB, means AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. Now if these two sides are equal, it means that angles opposite to equal sides are equal, means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. And here, because AB is equal to AC, it means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we have angle 3 is equal to angle 4 and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now we take the triangle DBC. In this triangle, in triangle DBC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Because sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. See here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now because 1 is equal to 2, then instead of 1 we can write 2. And 3 is equal to 4, then instead of 4 we can write 3. We get angle 2 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Now we have got angle 2 2 times and angle 3 2 times, means twice of angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 divided by 2. We take 2 on right side. It is 180 by 2. And when we cancelize 180 by 2, we get 90. Means that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree. That we were to prove only. Now we come to the next question. The next question is question number 7. ABC is right angled triangle in which angle A is equal to 90 degree. This ABC is the triangle in which one angle is of 90 degree. And AB is equal to AC, and it is given that AB is equal to AC, means this is isosceles triangle in which two angles are equal. Find angle B and angle C. Now we have to find B and C. We consider that angle B is equal to X and angle C is equal to X. Because AB is equal to AC, therefore it is isosceles triangle and two angles are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Then this is X and this is B. Now X. Now X plus 90 is equal to 180 because of angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now because one angle A is 90, then angle B plus C will become equal to 90. Means we get 2x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 by 2. It is 45. Then each of the equal angles is 45 degree. Then we come to the next question. The next question is question number 8. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Means each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. We are to prove this. For this we take equilateral triangle ABC, in which each angle is, we have taken x because each angle is same. Then by angle sum property we have x plus x is equal to 180. See here we have x plus x is equal to 180. From here we get 3x is equal to 180 and x will become equal to 180 by 3, that is 60. X is equal to 60. Means each angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Now there are some things to remember in this exercise. The things to remember are that number 1, the angles opposite to equal sides are always equal, or we can say that the sides opposite to equal angles are also equal. Then the second thing is we have used at some places the term ASP. The ASP means angle sum property of triangles. Angle sum property of triangles, that is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now this is the complete proof of these exercises. This is the question number 6 and question number 7, and this is question number 8 and the things to remember.